Okay, today we are going to make another soy wax candle, but this time we are going to use essential oils and we're just going to play around a bit. I want this to be like a calming, de-stressing, like anxiety, you know, like lessening that and whatnot, candle. So we're going to put them all together. I've done a bit of research on the essential oils I'm going to use today and what I'm putting in my candle and their meanings behind them, like what they're meant to do for putting them all together. Obviously I'll go through everything. Okay, the kids filmed because they wanted to talk to me. Well, really my sister did, because they went on a giant inflatable in the fishing lake up by my mum's house today. So the first one I've got is ylang, and I'm going to use some of that. And that is to reduce or help to reduce anger and frustration, so a nice calming home. Then I've got lemon, which sounds really weird to put with everything, but it's a cleansing oil, and I think that's really nice to cleanse like the air as well as me. Then I've got chamomile, Roman chamomile, and this is calming and soothing. And then, let me just dry my hand. Oh god. This one, which is lavender, and obviously lavender is a calming one. They're the four I'm going to put in. Then I am going to have 200 grams of soy wax, which we'll weigh out. I have got a 20 cl cylinder with a lid, silver lid, and then I have got a wick, a sticker and a safety sticker, and obviously a microwave. So let's go make this candle. Okay, first of all we're going to weigh out 200 grams of soy wax pebbles. Was it 200? Oh, 201, that'll do. And that goes in the microwave for a minute and a half. Stir it, then a minute and a half again. And whilst that is in there, we're going to put our wick into the I can't think what that is. The wick into the glass. So I've just got these, which are peels that you can put on to the bottom of your candle, and then or the wick on one side, in the middle, like so. Just peel that off and stick that in the middle. And whilst we're also here, we will put a safety sticker on the bottom. I'm only using these because I've got them in my pack. You don't have to put this on if it's just for yourself, but selling wise it's good to have that on it. This is what it looks like after a minute and a half, and I'm just going to stir it around quickly. Put it back in for 1 minute 30. Is it done now? Careful because it's hot. So I've just put some kitchen roll down on the side, and I've put this lolly stick that's got a hole in the middle. I got that from Hobbycraft purposely for this. That's just people outside. And then you want to pour this into there. In fact, no you don't, that's a lie. You want to put in your essential oils into the wax. That's 8 of lavender. I'm only going to do 3 of lemon. 2. that's quite overpowering. This is chamomile. I'm going to do 6 of them. And ylang, I'll do 8 of as well. Quick mix together. Okay, then I'm going to pour the wax into there very carefully, because last time it went everywhere. And there's a little bit left, but I'm going to leave it because you need to have about a higher centimetre like left to cut the wick to make it burn good enough. So then this candle goes into the fridge for an hour and a half, for half an hour. And like that, half an hour is up. It's actually probably more like an hour, 45 minutes I'd say, because I was filming another video. And I'm going to get it out the fridge. This is what mine looks like. The lemon isn't overpowering, which is amazing. So all I need to do now is get some scissors. Where did I put them? And cut across here. Candle is ready to go. Just put the lid on, and that is easy peasy, lemon squeezy. A candle made in 45 minutes, and it smells so good. It's really actually, soy wax is better for your health and to light like the environment and everything. So definitely recommend you make soy wax candles, or purchase them if you aren't making them. And this is going to help with the environment in your home, how calming everything's going to feel, but also to yourself. And I know with the pandemic still going on and stuff, there's redundancies and all sorts going on in the world that we all need to take care of our mental health with. This candle will be perfect for. I was going to write on the front, but I'm not sure if I'm going to. I might just leave it. I might go and run a bath now actually and light it. But I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and thanks for watching. Bye.